Hi, this is Stasia Bliss and acupressure for fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a condition where one is experiencing constant and chronic pain in the body. So I'm going to give you 5 acupressure points that are known as the main pain centers for the body. And when stimulated at a regular intervals, and regular meaning as much as every hour of your day, of your waking day, this can really help to relieve the pain in the body and help start to bring some relief and some repair to the body. So the 5 points, I'm going to begin with a point on the ankle, on the foot actually, to the heel, and you're going to go ahead and pinch the ankle and you're going to find a sore spot. So you're pinching both sides. You can use finger and thumb, or you can use the knuckle and thumb, and you're looking for a pain spot. The pain spot is going to mostly be on the outside of the foot, and you're just giving a gentle rotation. The next point is located on the leg. It's just above the ankle, and you're actually going to go 4 fingers length up from your ankle and then to the inside of your bone. So it's actually sort of like you're pinching a nerve toward the bone, and again you're looking for a tender spot. And when you find it, you're just going to give it gentle stimulation with the thumb, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. The third spot is down from the knee, 1 hand's length, and out to the outside of the bone, between the bone and the muscle. And again, you're looking for a tender spot. And when you find it, just giving it gentle stimulation for about 15 seconds. And same thing on the other side. And then the 4th point is in the webbing of between the thumb and the first finger. So you're going to look for that same tenderness that you're looking for in all the points, and just a gentle stimulation. Same thing on the other side. So one side might be more tender than the other, and each time that you stimulate the points throughout the day, you should start to notice the tenderness decreasing. So we're going to take the last spot is 2 finger lengths up into the wrist, and then just stimulating gently with the thumb. And that's it.